fourth quarter especially?
Honestly, I just think we need to be better. I'm happy we can win and learn from this win, but yeah, we need to get back to being us. Right now, we're not us.
I guess you mean defense. What specifically?
Yeah, I mean, I feel like when we went on that 7-game winning streak, it just felt different. It felt like we believed we were going to get a stop every time. It doesn't feel like that right now. 89 points is way too much. I know Carson is a special player, but we're just making too many mistakes defensively, and on offense, I don't know.
Can you pinpoint on why that is in defense?
No, we got to figure it out though. But I think we have big goals, and we need to play a certain type of way to reach those goals.
Would you say there was maybe a bit of extra pressure coming in after 3 losses?
Maybe, I don't know. I possibly. Every game's important. You never want to lose, and especially at home, and lose 3 in a row. But to me, I wasn't thinking about the 3. I was thinking about just winning today. So.
Is that pressure caused that free throws problem?
I think missing free throws is contagious, especially at home. When it happens, it's like, and it's disappointing. Honestly, I feel like as a basketball player, missing free throws is probably like the worst place to be when you've missed a couple and your teammates have missed a couple and it's a close game. It's hard to explain, but I'm shooting free throws tomorrow.
You have a shake with Prince Miller before the game?
Legend. For me, when I was in high school, anyone that was playing in America in college, I looked up to, and I remember him and Deuce Bello were people that, I saw on YouTube, and I was like, wow, these guys are special. And obviously I know about his history with Red Star, and the way he was received and the way he's talked about, several years later is something that I want for myself eventually. So it was awesome that he could make it here for us.
I remember when you were here with Baskonia, you talked really nicely about Nikola Kalinic all the time. So now that you've been, 3 months together, can you reflect on your relationship with him? How is he in the locker room? Did he live up to your expectations when you were watching him from the side?
When you're not teammates with someone, you don't really have expectations like that. But I just know for him, he's, one of our leaders, and we need him to be himself. Everyone knows what he's going through in his personal life, and he still showed up for us every single day. So that's what I appreciate the most, and I'm proud of him. I'm happy for him. We need him to be at his best mentally and physically for us, because he's so super important. But it's a joy to have him as a teammate. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Jim.
Appreciate it.